We got something exciting for you guys in this video. We are here at the Blue Compass dealership in Fort Myers. You see that right there? That's the Wolverine. We got a brand new fifth wheel model for you by Forest River. It's called the Wolverine. How cool is that? We're going to show you that in this episode.
Wolverines! This is our everyday getaway. Living the life, come what may. We'll show you the world full of colors and cheer. Join us on this journey, our vision is clear. No looking back, into dreams, hit the open road. Let's make some memories, lighten the load. This is our everyday getaway. Living the life, come what may.
Hey guys, welcome to our everyday getaway. Chris and Katrina here, and we're going to take a look inside at the newest, latest model from Forest River that's only available at Blue Compass dealership. It's the Wolverine. We're going to take a look. Look at that thing back there. How beautiful is that? This is the 32JF. And we're going to go take a look inside, and then we'll kind of show you the outside real quick. But let's go inside and see what this brand new latest model has to offer.
Let's talk about the length of this guy. This guy is 35 foot 11 inches and will sleep 8 people very comfortably. So come on, let's see. First thing I noticed coming in, the steps are pretty nice and decent. They have a grip on them. I don't feel like I'm going to slip off. And the last step here is nice and wide. Look at all these windows. This is beautiful. Let's do a little tour here.
As you said, this has a length of 35 feet 11 inches, unloaded weight of 10,838 pounds, a hitch weight of 1,730 pounds, and a cargo capacity of 2,892 pounds. And what was the starting price on this?
The regular price, the list price on this is $102,806. There, actually, you have a $42,000 savings, bringing you down to $59,999.
Right.
That's amazing. That's a great deal.
All right, so let's take a look at a few of the options that they have, or the cabinets and whatnot.
Let's just take a tour. How about that? Okay. So first of all, this is a huge pantry. You have an insane amount of storage space in here. And even someone like myself can reach in here. I'm only 5'3". I'm not that tall, and I can reach comfortably. Quite a bit of drawer space here. Look at these cabinets. I love it. Very nice.
It has a Zilla, how funny is that, 19 cubic feet, 12 volt refrigerator.
And here we go. Look at this. Now remember guys, this is brand new, so all the packaging has not been taken out yet, but that's amazing. And if you come down here, here's your freezer as well.
Wow, that's a 12 volt.
All these individual, look at this. I don't know if I've seen this before. All these individual drawers in the freezer. That really makes organization easy breezy. So I love that.
It has a power clean dishwasher.
Well, before we leave it, here's all these nice locking accessories for
keeping
the
it secure
refrigerator
while you're driving down the road.
Because you don't want this thing flopping open, so that's awesome. Here is
the power clean dishwasher.
Yep, like Chris was saying. And again, a lot of packing material in here because this is brand new. That's very nice. You've got extra drawers down here for storage.
When we walked in here, not to interrupt you, but what was the one thing when you walked over to the kitchen that you really liked?
Oh, this big, huge window here. Because I love window space. And think about it. You're sitting here and you're doing your dishes and you're prepping your meals and whatnot. And wherever you're parked, you're going to get a view from the back of your rig to the front of the rig, all the way around.
And of course, it's got the one
farmhouse sink, the one sink.
One pan that's not split up or what have you.
Right, you've got your faucet extension here. You've got tons of storage underneath. More cabinets. Look at all this, guys. Lots of cabinets. Trash can here.
And you also have a little...
I'm going to show you that.
Oh, sorry.
And then if you don't feel like, let's say you're doing, you're working in the sink, your vegetables or whatever, you're just going to scoot them over, put them right in there. That's a nice option to have. Lots of space. Did y'all notice this? I'm thinking this is like maybe a spice rack,
Yeah, I think so.
right? Very nice. Okay, got your oven here and your cooktop, very easy to use.
3 propane burner.
Propane, yep. And then your convection oven. So if you don't feel like messing with this and you have something smaller that you want to do in a hurry, perfect.
It's also an air fryer.
It's an air fryer, and we use ours all the time. I wish ours had an air fryer. This is great. More cabinet space.
I want you guys to look at something real quick. See this island right here? This is a stationary island. What happens is this is a slide out. This has 4 slide outs. This is a slide out. This slide out comes in and kind of just encompasses over top. And you can see, if you can see it down there, I'm not sure how well you can see it. The roller mechanism is down there, but there it is. Anyway, that just comes right over top of the island or the peninsula.
Again, lots of storage space. Cabinets everywhere. Got them over here.
Let's take a look inside the living area. It looks really nice and cozy and comfortable.
This is very nice and comfortable. What are these? Mike?
Your favorite?
No, it's not. It's Michelle
Oh.
K. It's Michelle K. Furniture design. I've not seen this one yet, but I will say, first impression, very comfortable. Really nice and comfortable.
Is that a fold out by any chance?
I don't think so, but then, oh, maybe it is. It may be. Give me a second. There is something going on there, so yes, something does. You're gonna have to try that.
Let me see if I can try it. Yeah. Yep. Just come out. Check that out. There you go. That's easy enough. You can get 2 kids on there.
Well, then you also have this over here, so you have.
So
yes.
I mean, look, that's plenty of room. I'm 5'10", so that's plenty of room.
And you don't need to lay in the middle. You could scoot over some, so 2 people could definitely lay on there.
So that was easy enough to get out. Put it right back in. Pick it up. Oh yeah, that's very easy. It's very lightweight, if you will. Doesn't feel like you're lifting a lot of weight to get that in there. So that's pretty cool. And of course you got your TV and your fireplace.
It's a beautiful fireplace. Down here you have a little dog bowl for your little ones.
Yeah. And more storage up top.
More storage. Nice, huge TV, more storage up here.
You will need a ladder.
I would need a ladder for that. Over here, you have your kitchen table and these chairs, and then you're going to notice that there is straps on the side to tie these down while you're traveling down the road. Again, over here.
Your control panel up here.
The command center. Let's see what we got up here. Oh,
more storage.
Good amount. And
some more storage right here.
So for your jackets and shoes and whatnot. Perfect.
Okay.
So on our way up here, come into the bathroom, Chris. There we go. Closet, shower. I think the shower's okay. I mean, it's decent.
Yeah.
That's decent size. I like it. And this is always a pet peeve of mine, if I have enough space to put like my cosmetics and my curling iron or my hairdryer or whatnot, and I would.
So,
and then you have your place for your trash can here.
We do not have, I guess what you would call a medicine cabinet. You have some shelves here.
Yes.
And you have storage over here.
And under here.
And of course your storage under the sink, but no medicine cabinet, so to speak, or your.
But I don't think you would need that. I think you have plenty of space. And here is your king size bed, which is very nice. You've got space on the sides. Now, you might not have a shelf up here, but there is a shelf to put everything on right on the sides. It's just a little bit lower. And then here, let me see. I see more storage back there. Closet, I should say, not storage. Go down there. Under here as well. And you'll notice that this just slides back and forth. Gives you some really nice mirrors back here. Now, again, when you're traveling down the road, there is the clips. So if it was open, you would just flip it shut like that. There you go. And it's for hook up for washer and dryer. So you can your washer and dryer in here. Lots of storage. What's this? Yeah, there we go.
All right, so I just noticed something. Katrina didn't notice it, and she is now. But take a look what you got here, your projection, and put your blind down, and there's your TV.
So this is why the blind is white. All the other ones are dark. This is white because it's actually a projection screen. Think about that, guys. That's really cool.
So this is the brand new Wolverine 32JF. They also have the 36BC, which features bunks.
Yes,
but they don't have that model here at this location. They do have it at the Tampa. This model has already sold.
This one is sold. They're going to clean it up real good, and then the person will come pick it up. They'll do, if there's any adjustments they need to make, they'll make that before they pick them up. And the one right now in Tampa is pending, so these things are going fast. I was just told inside that they have another one that looks like it's getting ordered today. So they're going fast.
This has a freshwater capacity of 49 gallons, a gray water of 76, and a black water of 38. And before we wrap this up, let's go outside and take a look at it real quick, just to give them a gist of, you know, what's going on with the outside of it. Is there something you want to add?
I was going to say, and I also love that there's a fan.
Cool.
Because I can feel it and it feels great.
I like the layout of this model. I really do. I think it's very clean, very simple, nothing crazy for the price point. I could be very comfortable hanging out if we were in the market for a fifth wheel of hanging out in this particular model.
Yeah. I mean, for $59.99, you're getting this nice fifth wheel, and I would say that's an extremely reasonable price. So if you want to get out there on the road and you want something new with a warranty and a dealership that you can trust, this would be a great one.
Let's run around outside real quick, guys, and just show you what we got. So I have to put my sunglasses on, but you can see up here you got your awnings over your slide out, your TV, outdoor TV. You also have another awning over here. It's got the blue lights on the front and the blue stickers. Over here, we have some more storage.
That's nice.
It's got, look, it's prepped for Starlink, so if you want to set your router out here, it's all prepped and ready to go. And I think you're starting to see more and more of that from RV manufacturers. It's got to have more than one tank. That's probably, what is that? That's a 47-pound tank, 45-pound tank. I would think that they have more than one. Maybe on the other side. Let's go see it. But check this out. Can you get on under there, Katrina? Is that okay? All right. Got your
spare tire.
Spare tire. The solar charge controller over here. It's pretty cool. The blue lights. I don't know how well you guys can see those.
Docking lights are on, so you got your docking light control under here.
All right, there you go. You got another tank over here. Nice. Here's your connections for your water, your satellite, your leveling system over here.
What did you? And you also have your outdoor shower.
Yes, absolutely. Yep. All right. Remember, guys, the new Wolverine models are available only at Blue Compass RV. We are at the Fort Myers location right now. And
well, they're at all their dealerships. All the Blue Compass dealerships.
What about them?
They're at all the dealerships. You just said here.
Well, no, I'm just saying this is where we're at right now. We're at the Fort Myers location. If you're interested, you want to check this model out, head on over to your local Blue Compass RV dealership. They'll be sure to give you guys a deal, work with you, try to get these things out. You can walk this model and tell us what you think. Anything else you want to add?
No, I think you had said it all.
There you go, guys. This is brand new 2027. If you all like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this from the two of us, let us know in the comments down below. Let us know in the comments down below, what do you think about this particular model? This is something you would be interested in. If this is your first time here, please consider subscribing to the channel. And as we like to say, any day you can get away.
It's a great day, guys.
You guys take care.
See ya.